Two cold men on a dark-ass night. One with a pocket full of fireworks, another with a lighter.
Okay. We're going to attempt to light the fireworks on fire and try to catch the plank on fire.
And
Light it.
you know what? Just light the damn firework.
Okay.
Alright, yeah. You may not be able to see the shit, but you're gonna fucking hear it.
And you're gonna see light.
And you're gonna see lights and shit. I'm gonna fall over. Hey. Shoot.